Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning the feature on. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, then Motions and Gestures, and toggle Palm Swipe to capture. You do this now so the system will listen for your hand motion. Without it, the swipe won't register. Once enabled, make sure your hand is dry and free of rings or bracelets that can interrupt contact. This quick setup takes seconds and ensures the phone is ready to capture images when you perform the gesture. You now take the screenshot. Place the side of your palm on one edge of the screen, fingers straight, hand flat, and swipe across in one smooth motion to the opposite edge. Keep contact during the sweep. A short, consistent swipe registers more reliably than a hurried flick. Once done, watch for the capture animation or hear the shutter sound. That confirms success. If you want a scrolling screenshot, tap the Capture toolbar promptly and choose Capture More to extend the shot. You finish by locating and editing the image. Open Gallery or Photos and go to the Screenshots folder to review, crop, or annotate using the toolbar, then share as needed. If the swipe doesn't work, make sure a case or protector isn't blocking the touchscreen edge, toggle Palm Swipe off and on, reboot the phone, and check for system updates. If problems persist, try a firmer flat hand sweep and disable conflicting gestures so the sensor recognizes your motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.